Good morning, student. Today we are going to start next topic of second chapter partnership, and next topic is accounting treatment in partnership. Okay. Before the starting new topic, I think you will understand all the things which I had discussed in last class. What is partnership? Its nature, definition, LLP, limited liability partnership, rights of partnership, and the act which is following when we are not making the deed, that Company Act 1932. Absence of your deed, what rule we are going to follow in accounting of partnership. Today we are going to start what type of accounting treatment we are going to utilize in partnership. Okay beta, before the starting the accounting treatment, why some change is coming in this accounting treatment, why we are not utilizing the sole trade accounting in this partnership, that is the main question. The answer is what? That all the accounting treatment which we are utilizing in sole trade beta, all we are utilizing here, but we are added more accounting treatment. Why? Because in a sole trade only one person is there. So we are going to make the trading PL and balance sheet. Last accounting treatment is this, huh? Just creating the trading PL and balance sheet. Okay. By the PL, they are getting the profit. That profit is taken by the single person. No problem about that. No any confusion is there. What profit or loss is there, that will take by the single person. But here, not the single person, it's partnership. Here problem will come. Why? That profit which is coming by the profit and loss account, that will shared by the more than 2%, or 2 or more than 2%. Okay, so then you can say very easily, sir, their profit sharing ratio, and on the basis of profit sharing ratio they can divide their profit. But the other problem is there. Maybe all the person is working in a business, maybe some person is just doing the work more and some is less, the capital is more or less. So many type of problem, many type of confusion, many type of cases is coming. The expense and income which is related with the partners, that will come. So for the treatment, for the utilizing of these all things, after the making of trading and PL, we are also making here trading and PL beta, and after the making of this trading and PL, we are going to make one more accounts, that name is PL appropriation account beta. The account name is PL appropriation. Okay beta, the account name is what beta? PL appropriation. Labh Hani Samayojan Khata. Appropriation means Samayojan. Okay. So that is the PL appropriation account. Why we are going to make this PL appropriation account? Because all the expense and income which is related with the partner, that will utilize, that will posted on this PL appropriation account. Okay beta? So what is the PL appropriation account? PL appropriation account is the account which is maintaining for the showing of all the income and expense which is related with the partners. Okay beta, in this account only we are going to show the all the expense and income which is related with the partner. In PL we are just showing the all the income and expense which is related with the business. But here we are only showing all the income and expense which is related with the partner beta. Okay beta, all the income and expense which is related with the partner. Means interest on capital. If interest on loan is there beta, so that will not showing here. Only The PL appropriation account is account in which we are going to show all the income and expense which is related with the partner. Okay, for that only we are going to make this beta. That is the main reason. Our expense and income which is related to the partner, where we are going to show this income and expenditure expense. For that we are going to make the PL appropriation account. So for that we are going to show interest on capital, that is related with the partner, salary of partner, that is related with the partner, any commission of partner, that is related to the partner, interest on drawing. Okay, these all we are showing in where? In PL appropriation account. Now we are going to discuss where we are showing all the things. That side is debit side beta, and this is credit side. Okay, in debit side we are showing two interest on capital, as like that A, B and C. Okay beta, interest on capital. Clear beta? Interest on capital first. Second, salary. Okay, partner salary, maybe A, B, C all paying, just getting the salary. If they are getting the monthly salary, so we are going to multiply by 12 and just convert that salary in a yearly. Okay beta, then to commission. Okay beta, partners maybe A, B, C or any one or two. And this side, these all things showing on the debit side beta. Interest on capital, salary of partners, commission. And this side, first by PL or balance. That is what? That is the PL account, profit amount which is coming by the PL. Okay beta, this is the profit amount that is coming by the profit and loss account. And then by interest on drawing. Okay beta, clear? Only these 4 or 5, this is the set. PL that will come by PL account, that will showing on the PL appropriation account. And then these 4 things, 3 this side, debit side, and 1 is the credit side. These all are the expense. All the expense we are showing in debit side. Which expense is related with the partner? Debit side. All the income which relate with the partner? Credit side. All the expense. In this expense, first is the interest on capital. First is what? Interest on capital. So we are showing the interest on capital debit side. How we are going to calculate? Maybe one partner A, their capital is 60,000. They are saying 10% of interest on capital, so 6,000. Okay beta, on this basis we are going to calculate the all partner interest on capital. Then salary. If salary is given annually, no problem about that. But if salary is given monthly, maybe 1,000 per month, or 1,000 into 10, 12,000. Okay beta. And for commission, in which way the explain in question, or what the information is given in the question, that will follow on the time of calculating of in commission. Okay. Then next is interest on drawing. What amount draw by the partners? Okay beta, or the amount withdrawn by the partners. On that basis we are going to calculate the interest on drawing A, B, C. If any single amount is there, so then we are going to calculate amount into 1 by 2 into rate upon 100. As like that, if A 10,000, 1 by 2, 10%, 100. Okay, that amount is 500. Okay beta, interest on drawing is rule beta. Okay, in interest on drawing, if any person withdraw a single money in whole year, so on that money we are going to calculate interest on drawing for 6 months. You can use from here 6 upon 12 or 1 upon 2. Okay, on the basis of that we are going to calculate the interest on drawing. Then total, take that total, this side. If This side difference is coming, profit transfer in capital account. If this side, then buy loss. Both are transfer in a capital account. Okay, sharing by the partner in his profit sharing ratio. Okay, beta. This profit or loss will sharing by the partners in his profit sharing ratio. Okay, beta. Clear? What are the concept is clear or not? In debit side, first we are showing the interest on capital that will calculate on the basis of capital. Then salary, get the information is business in question. Commission, follow the information in question. Then profit we are showing that will come from the PL account, and then interest on drawing. Okay, beta. Then interest on drawing we are going to calculate for the 6 month only. Okay. Just I am taking one question and then solve for PL appropriation only. Okay, beta. Today I am only explain this PL appropriation. In next class I will explain capital account. Just think, three partner is there, A, B and C. His capital is 1,80,000, 60,000. Okay, beta. Interest on capital rate is 10%. Salary A 8,000, B 6,000. Okay, beta. Commission C 4,000. Okay, beta. And interest on drawing is given A 400, B 600, C 1,000. Okay, and profit is 60,000. So then how we are going to solve this question? First we are just see the question, how we are going to solve the question. From which way we are going to start? First we are going to see what profit is there by profit. Okay, beta, and profit amount is 60,000. In this way you are going to start this process. Okay, beta. First we are going to show the profit. What profit is given in this question, that we are going to show here. Okay, beta. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? Then we are going to show this side. If interest on capital is there, interest on capital A, B and C. 10%. 10% of this capital amount. So 1,00,000 10%. 10,000, 80,000 10%. 8,000, 60,000 10%. 6,000. Okay, beta. 24,000. Okay. Then next salary. 2 salary A, B. A and B, only salary is given A and B. 8,000 and 6,000. 14,000. Okay? In this way we are showing it. This is the way by which we are showing the things. Okay? The things is given in the question. We are going to find out. We are going to see that things and show here. First interest on capital, then salary. If it's given, then so. If it's not given, then we are not showing. Okay, beta? That is depend on the question only. Then to commission. Only C commission is there, and that amount is 4,000. Okay? So this commission, if any case is given from the commission, 10%, 20%, 5%, 8%, if we given, so then we are going to follow the things. Then this side, by interest on drawing. Here is given A, B and C. Amount is given now 400, 600, 1,000. Total is 2,000. All things we are going to show All thing is finished. Beta, just keep in your mind, only these four things is coming in the PL application, beta. Okay? It's a trick. You can very easily remember interest on capital, salary, commission, interest on drawing. Interest on capital, salary, commission, interest on drawing. Interest on capital, salary, commission, interest on drawing. Okay? Only these four things we are going to search in our question when we are going to make the PL appropriation account. Just total this amount 62,000. 62,000. 0 20,000. It's what? It's a 2 profit. Divide in a partner. Nothing is given for profit sharing ratio. So then we are going to utilize equal. Okay, beta? Equal profit sharing ratio. When we are going to distribute this, so then 66 7 6 7 6 6. Okay? It will not cut full amount, but we are showing like that only. Okay, clear beta? How we are showing this PL appropriation account, or how we are going to make this PL appropriation account or not? It's clear or not? Tell me. It's clear or not? Any problem you are facing, then tell about that. By the call, by the WhatsApp group. Okay, I am going to take one more. Question. Just see, maybe capital is given. A, B, C. Interest on capital. Interest on drawing. Salary, profit. Capital 80,000, 120, 140. Okay, beta? Just suppose one question. 10% of interest on capital. Okay? Drawing amount is given 8,000, 14,000. Okay, beta? 8,000 and 4,000. Okay, make it some easy question. Salary 1,000 per month. And 2,000 per month. Okay, commission 8,000. Okay, interest on drawing rate of interest on drawing, just see 10% each. Okay, and profit amount beta 80,000. This is the question. Okay, in short form I am showing this question. When you are study that question, read that question, you can make like that. Okay, now I am going to make the PL appropriation account. Just see. Its amount, particular, its debit side and its a credit side. Now, first what we are showing? First we are showing the PL, profit. So by profit, that amount is 80,000. Then Second is here interest on capital A, B and C 10%. It means 8,000, 12,000 and 14,000. Okay. Then 34,000. Then 2 salary A 1,000 per month. This means 1,000 into 12. C 2,000 per month into 2,000 into 12. 12,000, 24,000. Then total amount beta 36,000. To commission only one person, B 8,000. Okay beta, will understand how I am showing? Only seeing the question and showing the amount. First interest on capital, calculate this capital is there, 10% of interest on capital. Then salary is showing 1,000 per month, multiply by 12, 2,000 per month, multiply by 12 for yearly, then that is showing. Then commission. Okay, now going for this side, by interest on drawing A, B and C 10% again, 800, 800 and 400. It means 2,000. Okay beta, clear? Clear or not? How we are showing this, all the things is clear or not? Tell about that. It's clear or not? First showing PL, then interest on drawing. Just calculate 82,000, 82,000. $4,000 is profit. Okay, clear? Now I am going to show the question number 5. Solve the question number 5. Only PL appropriation account of question number 5. Okay beta, in your book question number 5. And question is, A and B are partner, capital 6 lakh and 2 lakh. Okay beta, drawing 60,000 and 40,000. Salary B 60,000. Interest on capital 6%. Okay beta, and then profit 2,40,000. Interest on drawing 2,000 and 1,000. Okay beta, this is the summary of question number 5. This is the summary of question number 5. Now we are going to make the PL appropriation. Just see, first by profit amount is 2,40,000. Okay, then to interest on capital A and B, just press 6% of 6 lakh, 36,000, 6% of 2 lakh 12,000 48,000 beta. Okay, clear? How it's showing the interest on capital? 6% of capital. Then to salary, only B salary is given beta. 60,000 60,000. Okay, 60,000. Then by interest on drawing A and B, 2,000 and 1,000. Total is 3,000. Nothing else. Only these are things is given in the question. Profit, interest on drawing, interest on capital and salary. Okay, go for the totaling these things. 2,43,000 0,005 1,35,000 to profit. Okay, beta, that will divide in a and B in his profit sharing ratio. Okay, on this way we are going to make the PL appropriation account. Okay, beta, it's the question number 5. I am writing the summary. Question is given like that. The capital is 6 lakh and 2 lakh. B and salary of partnership ratio is 2:1, and salary of B is 60,000. Interest on drawing 60,000, 40,000. Interest on capital rate of 6%. Interest on drawing 2,000 and 1,000. Here is given the interest on drawing. Calculate. After the calculator is given, and profit is 2,40,000. On the basis of that, we are going to make the PL appropriation account. Okay, beta? Clear? You will try it again this question. Okay? And try to question number 6 and 7. Only going to make the PL appropriation account. Okay? Only you are going to make the PL appropriation account. Okay? In next class, I will going to explain how we are going to make the capital account. Okay, beta? Clear? Okay. Thank you.